Hi everyone, Dr. Jeff here with you again this week with quotes with Leiann. And Leiann, what exciting topic did you pick for this week?
I was kind of taking a trip down memory lane the past couple days, and because I got a lot of motion sickness when I was younger, I thought we'd talk about that today.
Motion sickness, that's a good topic. A lot of people get motion sickness, it's very common, especially with kids 2 to 12 and with some pregnant ladies. But what happens is use your senses to perceive what's happening around you. Your brain can get very confused. With motion sickness, quite often it happens when you're driving or you're flying. So if you're driving and you're trying to read, what happens is your body is telling you that you're moving. So between your ears and your skin and everything else, it tells you you're moving, but your eyes are telling you you're staying still. So it's a bit of confusion going on in your brain. Likewise, if you're on a plane, same thing. You're on a plane and you're moving through the air, but your eyes can't see you moving, so it gets quite confused. If you're on a ride at the fairground, again, you're moving all over the place and it gets quite confused. So the brain tries to tell you something wrong is going on. So it gives you motion sickness. So you might start to feel a little saliva in your mouth starting to swell up a little bit. You might start to get a little nausea. You might start to vomit. You might start to get dizzy. All these things start to happen for your brain to try and figure things out.
So when I was younger, because I got a lot of motion sickness, there were a couple of suggestions my mom would give me. One would be to look out the window, look at the horizon. If we're in a car, she would suggest for me to sit in the front row. If we're on a plane, I would sit beside the window so I could look out. If we had any ginger or mint, I would chew on that. That really helped my upset stomach. I would also avoid any really strong perfumes or odors. Alcohol before a long trip can also cause motion sickness. I would also avoid any really fatty or oily foods that can really upset my stomach. And a lot of people found that acupuncture can help with motion sickness. There are some people that wear a band around their wrist with beads that can press on acupuncture points, and they find that really helpful.
Yeah, so motion sickness is a pretty common thing. You can grow out of it, which is good. There's certain things that Leiann talked about that help you along with trying to do that long trip somewhere and trying to help with the motion sickness. But it's a very common thing. If you have any questions about anything we talked about today, you can always email us at jgoldsworthy@goldshouse.com. If you have something you want us to look up and to talk about, you can also send that to us. If you liked our video today, you can always give us a thumbs up, share with your friends. Let us know that you really enjoyed it. And as always here at Goldsworthy Chiropractic,
We got your back.